Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to put an image background in Google Docs document. Let's get started. Go to Insert menu, Watermark, and select the image. Upload an image. Set the image scale. Or you can resize image manually. You can increase image opacity or reduce image opacity, or you can get out image fade. And done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.